Hello dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Now if you are a Thai food lover, today's recipe is for you. We are going to make Thai chicken pizza. A lovely change from the usual routine pizzas that we have. The topping has got all the Thai flavors and some peanut butter also, which makes it amazingly delicious. I have made the peanut butter at home sometime back. The video is already posted. You can check it out and try to make fresh homemade peanut butter, which is amazingly delicious. Takes the pizza to a different level. Homemade is always the best. So let's proceed to make this Thai chicken pizza. And if you are a vegetarian, you can opt for vegetarian toppings instead of chicken. Shall we?
I have taken thin crust pizza base, multigrain pizza base. You can take any one that's available. 2 or 3 spring onions. We are going to wash and finely chop them. Honey 1 tablespoon. Sesame oil 1 tablespoon. Vinegar 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter 2 tablespoons. This is homemade and you can check out the link in the description box. Boiled and shredded chicken as required. Grated cheese 1 cup. Chili garlic sauce as required. Olive oil 1 tablespoon. Hot water 2 tablespoons. Crushed ginger and garlic 1 teaspoon each. For your reference, the ingredients list is also shared in the description box. First, we'll start by mixing the sauce ingredients. Take a bowl and measure out all the ingredients as mentioned in the list. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You can use rice wine vinegar or any one available. Use dark soy sauce for best results. Here goes the ginger garlic, crushed finely. Chili garlic sauce, this is also homemade. You can check out the link in the description box. Use as required. Instead, you can also replace this with ready-made sauce like Thai sweet sauce, sweet and chili sauce. In that case, you skip the honey. Here goes the peanut butter. Look at the lovely creamy texture of this butter. Little bit of olive oil. The remaining goes for greasing the dish. Whisk them together very well until they are all combined very nicely. Now this we are going to microwave for 15 seconds. Not more than 15 seconds. The consistency becomes just perfect. Now after removing, whisk it again. Microwaving it for a few seconds really enhances the sauce and infuses all the flavors together. Now take the shredded chicken into a larger bowl. Salt has been added while boiling already, so no more salt to be added. Here I am adding some peanut butter for binding and flavoring. Now the quantity depends on how much you like. 1 tablespoon or little more, whatever, as per your taste. Chili garlic sauce is spicier enough, so you don't have to add any more chili flakes or any other thing to this. Just give it a nice mix so that the chicken pieces are coated with peanut butter, just to flavor the chicken. Peanut butter is the key ingredient in this recipe. Here the chicken's topping is ready. Now grease the baking dish. While you are doing all this, you can preheat the oven. Place the pizza base. This is nice thin crust multigrain. You can also use tortillas instead. Those will also work very well for this recipe. Spread the peanut topping mixture that you prepared. This quantity is sufficient for making 2 pizzas. Now spread the chicken. We have not added any extra salt in this recipe, if you have noticed, because all the sauces are already salty. Chicken is also flavored with salt while boiling. Now after spreading the chicken, add some chopped spring onions. They give a lovely look and color to this pizza. Finally, some cheese, grated cheese on it. Again, the quantity depends on your preference, how much ever you like. Now here this pizza goes into a preheated oven at 200°C. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until done, until the cheese is melted. Since the base is already pre-cooked, it's done very fast. Pizza is ready. Wasn't it very easy? And for a change, different flavors. Cut it with a pizza cutter, either quarters or 6 pieces. Here we go. Let's enjoy this yummy Thai flavored pizza. It's really a treat for those who love Thai food. Even kids are going to love this pizza because of its peanut content. It has little sweetish taste, and I'm sure they are going to really like this pizza a lot. So friends, do give it a try. I hope you are enjoying all my recipes. Show your love by subscribing to my channel. Click on the subscribe button and choose all option. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. Take care. Have a nice day and bye-bye. See you soon.